So I purchased an aftermarket carburetor for my Ryobi pressure washer, thinking that that would resolve the problem. Well, today it just made the situation worse. So let me take you through the process of how I used AI to come up with a conclusion to get this thing fixed. My name is Brad Kemp with Blue Nile Farm. Welcome to the channel. Let's get into it. So initially, I wound up, instead of trying to hunt down the specific parts that I needed, I want to buy an aftermarket carburetor off of the internet. Well, I got the carburetor in place and I put it on and put it together, and I thought everything was going to work out real well. The problem I have is this choke switch right here. It would not pull over fully on the carburetor. But then I personally realized when I was looking at it that the aftermarket carburetor, what I did not like about it is that at the choke piece, this is all spring loaded, and it's all it is held by a spring. So there's no way that this thing was going to latch over and hold. So when I looked at the old one, it basically has it where it actually just, it's almost like two stages where it actually clicks in place. And this is what I was looking for. So the aftermarket wasn't as good. And when you compared the apples to oranges, it kind of guided me back to just get the original, get the pieces back in, buy the original parts, and you're better off. And I didn't have any operational issue with the carburetor itself. It was cleaned. I have an ultrasonic. I ran it through. Everything was fine. It's just that the design of the new ones just wasn't up to par. And I know this doesn't seem like a big deal to a lot of people, but the AI is kind of like my extra hand, my assistant that has more knowledge. And it has more knowledge about carburetors and how they're supposed to be put together than I do. The difference between AI and me is that I might have more mechanical ability. The AI is more like that school nerd that knows how to do it but has never done anything. So when you can couple yourself with the abilities to do the hands-on work and the AI to help you figure out and problem solve the issues or find out what the potential problems were, because it ran me through different scenarios with the aftermarket carburetor, it really got down to the point where it was well worth the investment just to basically rebuild the old one. And that's kind of where I'm going with this. The AI can actually piece everything together and kind of explain to you how things are supposed to go back in the right sequence, and it's up to you to basically put it together. It gives you that extra hand, and it's kind of like having a manual that you don't have accessibility to, and that's what's so nice about it. You can pick up and gather information very quickly and problem solve based on the AI working with you. So I took photographs, I sent it to the AI, I explained in detail the situation that I explained to you about, I have an aftermarket carburetor, I have these gaskets. I don't know if I'm missing any pieces. I need to know what the proper sequence is of gaskets, spacers, and the carburetor to put it together properly. And then I explained the problem that the choke wasn't working. And I explained this all in the first line or first paragraph when I explained the whole situation. And I explained the type of pressure washer I had in the brand, and that being a Honda carburetor. So those are the things that you need to put into your AI to get the proper information. And all I'm suggesting you guys is if you have little mechanical problems like this around the house or farm, you'd be surprised what the answers are. And it'll help you speed up your decisions and what you decide to do. So ultimately what I'm trying to get at is it helped me make a decision. I'm going to switch over. I'm going to go use my original carburetor. I'm going to get the parts I need, and we're going to see where it goes from there. So that's just a quick example how to utilize AI for a day-to-day task that you can use for anybody. But utilize your phone. The program I used was actually ChatGPT, and I used the photographs and asked the right questions to get the right answers. And if you do that, you'll be surprised what you can do. So that's a quick tip that I suggest you guys utilize, how AI can help you out. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.